Hello kids, welcome to Kinderport, Kids Learn with Fun channel. Kids, today we are going to learn with fun with classroom decoration craft. Classroom decorations craft. So are you ready?
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Kids, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.